Hello everyone. First, I want to start off by saying thank you to Mama and Lalita Perima for doing this. It allows us to put thoughts which we have always had into words and then express them through videos. So thank you for making them, and continue to do so. So I want to start off with saying happy birthday to Papa. Um, I'll try to keep it short. So yeah, to the point. He's been like a role model to me. He's been like the super chill dad. He's led from the front always. Um, Growing up also, the memories I've had was so much fun, not forcing me to do one thing or another. When it came to like engineering, uh, he let me choose what I wanted to. Even masters, he gave me the freedom if I wanted to go and study, or just do something back in India. So super chill dad, and always very caring and open to anything that we had to say. Also, while growing up, he kept moving into so many new cities. We had fun growing up with him. Every city was a new experience. We visited Nepal, Mangalore. There was a short stint at Cochin before I went to Chennai. So lot of fun, and thank you for that. Thank you for those memories. He was also in going back to being supportive. I was in my third year of engineering, and I wanted to go watch the Formula One race, and I wasn't really sure if an international trip was on the cards, but he was like, "Sure, go ahead, have fun." So very chill, very cool. Yeah, and I mean, everyone knows he's from the finance background, but I think frankly he's still a better engineer than I am. He knows, he has a lot more basic sense around engineering. He's very practical, he's very knowledgeable, and I grew up not so practical, or not so open to all these practical implementations. So he used to always have like ideas and tips and tricks around the house, which I frankly as an engineer should have had. So I got to learn a lot from him. Also, like from a financial background, I always seek him for investment advice, pros and cons, run the numbers, whatnot. So he's like, we form like a good tag team, and I get to learn a lot from him. So thank you for that. And also, I am where I am because of him and mom. So really happy about that. I'll keep it short, and take care of your health. Hope to see you here once COVID is over and you can spend time with Swara and all of us, and take care of your health until then. Take care of your hand, and yeah, happy birthday once again. Bye.
Hi, Papa. Wish you a very happy birthday. So I just like to start by saying that the first thing that comes to my mind anytime anybody asks me about you is the fact that you always made me believe that anything is possible, and I think this starts very early in my life, from the time when I was in school. And I used to be a little late in realizing that I had a project to submit the next day, and I'd only remember at like 10 o'clock at night. And you would be up to do it even then, and you'd stay up with me till 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning, and you'd still make sure that I had the best project in the class, like I had worked for it for three or 4 days. So, I don't know if you remember the time when I had a geography class and I needed a map for it, and I had remembered only at 11 o'clock at night that I needed maps for the next day geography class. And you had gotten up at 6 o'clock in the morning, even before I got up, and you had gone to your office and xeroxed some maps for me. And when I got up, I had those maps before I left for school. So it's, in a way, it's like mom says that it's not possible that Namu says something and Papa doesn't get it for her. And that's just the way I think you've always pampered me so much. Uh, and but even with that, you've always taught me to work hard. You've always taught me never to give up. And I think an example of that would be this sign that you've put up in front of my study table, that says nothing is impossible. So yeah, you've always taught me that. You always taught me to work hard, and to always achieve my dreams by working hard. Another quality of yours, Papa, is definitely your love for food, your love for street food, actually. And I think that's something that both Dada and I have picked up from you. You know how you always want to go try different places, different things, and I think that has led us to discover some of the best places to eat in Mumbai. And I think that's something I absolutely love about you. It is one of your most adorable and your most endearing quality. Another thing about Papa is that he will crack the worst jokes, the worst PJs, but he will still manage to make everybody around him laugh, because that's just how he is. He just manages to be everybody's favorite at home, outside, and he's the best father, the most caring husband, and of course Swara's favorite most Abu. We love you, Papa. Happy birthday. Have a safe and happy year ahead. Bye.
Shunu, Abu.
वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. असेच आम्हाला दरवर्षी वाढदिवस साजरे करायला मिळून दे. परमेश्वराकडे शुभेच्छा व्यक्त करतो. अयो
संजू, तुला वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप हार्दिक शुभेच्छा आणि अनेक आशीर्वाद. इथूनच ओवाळणी करते आहे.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sanju Mama. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray!
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Krishna, do you want to say happy birthday to Sanjeev Mama? Can you say happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Mama, happy birthday from Tilly as well.
हेलो संजू. बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिल गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू संजू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
हाय संजू, वाढदिवसाच्या तुला खूप खूप हार्दिक शुभेच्छा आणि अनेक आशीर्वाद. पुढील वर्ष आनंददायी आणि आरोग्यदायी जावो हीच माझी इच्छा. एन्जॉय युअर डे. वन्स अगेन हॅपी बर्थडे. बाय बाय.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Mama.
Hi Mama, wish you a very happy birthday. I hope the next year brings you a lot of good luck and good health. Neat raha and enjoy your day. See you soon.
Hi Sanju Dada. Wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. Have a great day and a fabulous birthday. Bye.
Hi Sanjeev, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with peace, prosperity and good health. Have a nice day. Good luck.
Hi Sanjeev. Today is 5th October and it's your birthday. Many happy returns of the day, and I wish you a very happy birthday. I bless you that you have a very good future, you enjoy your life. Like me, you also do more trekking. Do you remember this topi of ours?
Hi Sanjay, happy birthday to you. With lot of blessings and wishes. Have a great day. Take care and be safe. Bye. Good day.
Many happy returns of the day, Sanjeev.
God bless you
with lots of happiness, good health and prosperity. Have a wonderful year ahead.
Cheers.
Hello Sanjeev, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless you with health, prosperity, success always.
Happy birthday Sanjeev. I have so many good memories with you since our bachelor days, with the trekking programs and get-togethers at your house at Dombivli, Thane and Andheri. Wish you all the very best for continued good health and happiness.
Hi Sanjeev, happy birthday, have a great day and a great year ahead.
Happy birthday.